Bakit? Next question. Okay, first. Never have I ever cried because of a movie. I have! For some reason, naiyak ako sa Karate Kid. Kasi yung ginagawa doon ni Jaden Smith, wushu kasi yung iba doon eh. Nag-wushu ako, diba? So yung na-feel niya na kapag nag-stretch siya ni Jackie Chan, ganyan. Parang na-feel ko, kaya sakit! Ganon. Naiyak ako. Tsaka The Vow. Never have I ever pressed send and immediately regretted it. I have. Actually, hindi immediately. Kunwari, magte-text ako, tapos send ko kay Tuntun, si Christopher, kasi best friend ko. So parang sabi niya, bakit mo sinabi yan? Yun, na-regret ko na siya. Never have I ever gifted a gift that was given to me by someone else. Binenta ko pa. Shh! Never have I ever pretended to like something to impress someone I like. No. Love me, hate me, but this is me. Never have I ever cried because I'm heartbroken. Next question, please. Never have I ever looked through someone else's phone without permission. Kasama ba dun yung parang, kunwari, nakatayo ka, o kaya katabi mo, tapos gumaganon ka? Kasama yun? I have. Never have I ever said I love you and not mean it. No. Never have I ever broken a promise. Disclaimer, itong promise na to, ginagawa ko naman ng lahat ng makakaya ko para ma-deliver ko yung promise ko. Yung pumayat ako. Hindi pa ako pumapayat. Like, may cut-off. Kailangan after 2 weeks payat ka na. Hindi ako pumayat. Never have I ever sang in the shower. Alam nyo ba, kaya kayo hindi nakaka-receive ng concert tickets ko? Kasi ako lang yung nandun sa shower. Nagko-concert ako sa shower. So, yeah. Never have I ever got mistaken for another celebrity. Si Barbie. Hindi ko alam kung bakit. Parang kapag naglalakad ako sa mall, Uy, si Barbie! Uy, si Barbie! Yun. Laging si Barbie. Never have I ever broken something in someone's house and not tell them. Alam niyo kung bakit? Hindi naman ako pinapayagan ni mamang pumunta sa ibang bahay. Paano ako makakasira? Never have I ever Googled myself. Pati sa YouTube. Pati sa Twitter. Yun. That's all. For more exclusive videos, don't forget to like GMA Network's Facebook page and subscribe on their YouTube channel.